Hello, everyone. This is Dr. I here, the founder of Classroom Without Walls. I'm a live streamer and I'm a professor turned entrepreneur. About 3 years ago, I started my live streaming journey, which changed my career as a college professor. And to this day, I'm no longer a traditional teacher. I'm actually building my own school, which is called Classroom Without Walls. And live streaming has benefited me so much. And in this video, I want to talk about a really powerful Twitter feature that many people don't even know. So I want to show you how I use this feature, Twitter Media Studio, how I use that to repurpose my live streaming content. And like so few people actually know about this, and I want to share with you. So definitely watch the entire video. It is a really quick training. So let me share my screen real quick. So here I'm on Twitter. So what you need to do is to really go to the homepage. I'm just like Twitter. This is just literally my homepage. So this is my Twitter profile, right? It's me. And so here is, I'm actually on my computer. I think on your desk, on your smartphone, it may look a little bit differently. I honestly don't know. I have never used this feature on my smartphone. But here I'm on my computer. And you can see here, this is what you need to do, okay? So here, I'm moving my mouse. I hope you can see it. On the left side of the screen, there's more, the 3 dots. So click on more. And once you click on more, you will see that like topics that you can follow, moments you can create, you can do Twitter ads, Twitter analytics, and here is Media Studio. And this is what we are going to discuss and learn today, Media Studio. So once you click on Media Studio, this is where the magic is going to happen. So you will see all the like videos, the pictures and stuff that I tweeted. And if you go to the top navigation bar and you see like a producer and click on producer, okay? Once you click on producer, and you will see here are all the videos I have shared, pretty much my live streaming. So when I go live, I actually go live on different social media platforms because I'm one of those people who are actually active on pretty much all the social media platforms, including LinkedIn, Twitter, and Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram. Okay, so when I go live, I actually go live on all those places, including LinkedIn Live, which you do have to apply to have access, and Facebook, my personal page, my company page, and my own Facebook group. And I also go live on Twitter, of course, and also go live on YouTube. So those are the places that I go live at the same time. So like Twitter is one of the platforms that I go live. And you can see here are all the videos of my past live streaming interviews, or sometimes I do solo, I teach people something. And so here is what I want to share with you. And as you can see, and click on live. Or ended, sorry. So, okay, let me rephrase myself. So here, once you go to the producer feature, okay, actually you don't have to. You can just stay on this page. Stay on this page. As you can see, here are all the Periscope live streaming restream that I did in the past. So last week, I had the one and only Lee Olden on my show, and we talk about how to build trust with influencers, and we discuss influencer marketing. And here, okay, so already ended. And if you go to all over to the right side of the screen, you will see edit in live cut. Okay, so this is what I have here, live cut. Click on it. Welcome to the weekly show. So here I was, and being very excited about our live interview, of course. And definitely check out the replay if you missed this. Lee shared so many great tips. So this is where the magic happens, okay? And like approaching the end, the bottom, the end of the screen, you see set start point, and then you can also create the end point. So this is what you do to get clips out of this hour long or 30 minutes, however your live streaming is. For me, my live interview is oftentimes an hour. So like, for example, okay, classroom without what?
Think of things like Facebook and LinkedIn, Twitter.
So I ask him a question, right? Like, let's say that I don't want to do this right now. I don't want to waste your time. But let's say that, okay, he's saying something really, really good, right? I want to get a clip so I can share on Instagram, on Facebook, on LinkedIn, make it 1 minute, right? So you can set this as your starting point, right? And then you keep listening.
TikTok, Snapchat, that sort of thing. Dark socials, really, it's a reference to social that can't be tracked publicly.
So he's talking about what is dark social media, which is a question asked by the live audience last week. Oh, wow, that's really good, right? So he already explained the answer. And then like, I want to set my end point. So we have the start point. Now it's the end point. Okay, here, as you can see, ooh, automatically I got that clip, right? So what you can do is that this is good. Exactly what I want. You can save, click on save the clip. And this clip is automatically here. And you can also save this to your computer. You can do some fancy editing if you need. You can add captions. I normally don't do that, but sometimes for a 1 minute clip, I will add captions. You can also do that. Give this a title, right? And then like influencer marketing, what is dark social media? And then you can like do this, and you can also add title here, and it will show up differently. Once you create this, you will see what I mean. And then this is, you can add a description. You can also do a call to action, which is, hey, check out the entire interview. But maybe if you are doing a major launch, you can do a different call to action. There's so many ways. And then you can just like tweet. You can tweet on this platform. This makes the editing so much easier. I just love this feature, and so few people actually know this. Let me show you one that I created, because right now I am like, it's a bit hard for me to kind of really find an accurate tweet that I can share with you. So I did create one before. I want to share with you. I think here are all the videos that I posted, and I believe I shared one last week. So all of the videos here, you can do the same thing. You can use that live cut feature to get clips. It doesn't matter how long it is. It doesn't matter how short it is. I think we're almost. I don't do this all the time, but if I do want to repurpose my content, this is, yes. So this is the one. So this is a clip that as you can see, this is another hour-long interview. So I get a clip. This is only 1 minute and 23 seconds. And this is what I used, that live cut feature I just shared with you. So I created a title. I also did my call to action, visit my YouTube channel to watch the entire video. And this one already gained like 3,300 plus views. It's pretty good. This just like, you can click on this and you can see like earlier, like the feature live cut allows you to add a title for this, allow you to add a tweet title, and you can add a very simple description. This is what this is about. Look, so easy, right? So if you really struggle with, and you can also download this video. And if you really struggle with this is a feature I love. So few people actually know about this. So go home and implement. And if you really love this video, definitely give me a heart, give me a share, and join me live. I go live. If you are interested in learning more about live streaming, I have another video, and you can check it out, that shows you how I actually restream to multiple social media platforms at the same time, how I do it and what are the tools that I use. Check out the video. And so join me live on every Wednesday, every Friday, Wednesday at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, every Friday at noon Eastern Standard Time. I interview leading social media digital marketers, entrepreneurs, and we talk about social media marketing. We also talk about education, alternative education, and how we can help our children, the next generation, become future ready. So follow me on social media at AIADDYSONZHANG. I'm mostly active on LinkedIn nowadays. You can also join my WhatsApp group and just leave WhatsApp in the comment section, and I will send you a link to join the group. In that group, I share valuable information regarding my weekly live streaming show. No spam, mainly to send out people reminders regarding topics and guests and questions we are going to discuss. So thank you so much for watching this video. Stay amazing.